So today we will discuss 10 programs based on plotting with matplotlib.pyplot library. All these programs are in sequence. That is why this is program number 31. Write a program to plot a line chart to depict the changing weekly onion prices for 4 weeks. Give appropriate axis labels. Axis AXES axis means plural of AXIS axis, यानी x और y axis दोनों को हमें लेबल भी देने हैं. So let us see the solution. You must provide documentation. हैश साइन के साथ जो हम कमेंट्स लिखते हैं, all these are explanatory comments. These are known as documentations. तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के मार्क्स अलग होते हैं. That is why documentation is compulsory in each and every program which you are going to write in your practical file. So import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Week is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Prices are given 40, 80, 100, 50. These are onion prices for 4 weeks. So you just have to write plt.plot week, prices. So a graph like this will be plotted. According to question, you need to give labels also. For X label, we have to write plt dot X label week. You can write anything, it is up to you. Plt dot Y label onion prices in rupees. So you can see week is being displayed here, onion prices here. And here I have given title also, changing weekly onion prices. This is how we can give title. This is your title of a chart. Then PLT show will display your chart like this. Program number 32. Write a program to create a plot for sine, cos and tan of Pascal's triangle values. Now, what are Pascal's triangle values? See here in the form of a list. 1, 7, 21, 35, then again 35, 21, 7, 1. All these are known as Pascal's triangle values. We are not going into detail what are these because we already know the data. Clear? What we have to do? We have to create a plot, create a chart between trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan of these values and these values. यानी हमें sin, cos, tan इन्हीं numbers का और इन्हीं numbers के साथ उसका plot तैयार करना है. Let me show you output first तो clear हो जाएगा. See, these are trigonometric ratios for sin, cos, tan, and here we have Pascal's triangle values. Now see the code. Import these two libraries, then take an array Pascal triangle numbers is equal to 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1, and these are the lines or code to calculate sine, cos and tan values. So just see S1 is equal to np dot sine Pascal underscore tr underscore numbers. It means all these numbers will be taken as argument 1, 7, 21. All these numbers will be taken as argument, based on which S1 will be having sine values and C1 will be having cos values and T1 tan values. Now here we are going to plot line charts. This line is used to give a particular figure size. For example, here plt dot figure fixed size is equal to 15,7. This we have already discussed. If you have any doubt, you can again refer or ask me. Then plt dot plot Pascal underscore tr underscore number comma s1 comma c. C stands for cyan color. PLT dot plot same but with the color R red. PLT dot plot another line plotting between tan values, that is T1, with the color blue, B for blue, and line style is dashed. Here we have set X label and Y labels. Next, see, this is your output. So if you see the color, cyan color is for sine and red color is for cos. So this is cyan color for sine, this is for cos, and this is for tan. Tan value we have given argument as dashed line. So you must know how to write all these. इन्हीं पर ही वाइवा आ जाता है. Line style is equal to dashed. Examiner may ask you, what do you mean by this? Program number 33. Given a series that contain reversed Fibonacci numbers. What are Fibonacci numbers? These numbers are generated by adding two previous numbers. No need to go in detail now, but we have an array of Fibonacci numbers given in the question. 0, -1, -1, -2, -3, -5, -8, and so on. See here, you will be okay. See here, as you can see here, it is written 0, then 1. Add these two, 0 plus 1 is 1. Then again 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So by adding previous two numbers, we are getting third number. These types of numbers make a Fibonacci series. Okay, what we have to do? We have to plot these numbers with the following specifications. Line color should be magenta, marker edge color should be black with size 5, and grid should be displayed. This is called grid. These lines. Okay, let us see code. Import lines, then create an array NFIB with these numbers. Write plt.plot range -10 to 10 for x-axis. Then this is for y-axis. MO, these are for markers. So here M for magenta, O for O marks. These are circular marks. Marker size 5, marker edge color K. K stands for black. Marker edge color is black now. Line color is solid. PLT.grid is true and title is given as Fibonacci series. You must try all these programs in your computer. और जो मैंने चेंजेस बताए इससे पिछले प्रोग्राम में, वो आप खुद अपने लेवल पे भी करके मुझे दिखा सकते हैं. But still I will provide it to you. Program number 34. Given below are sugar levels for men and women in a city. Compare the sugar levels amongst them through a histogram. See, एग्जाम में जो भी क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, चाहे उसकी लैंग्वेज आपको समझ में ना आ रही हो, पर आपको डेटा तो दिया गया होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल है डेटा इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. पीछे फाइबोनैक्सी सीरीज नहीं समझ में आया था, कोई बात नहीं, बट डेटा वाज गिवन. तो आपको तो प्लॉटिंग करनी है. एक्स एक्सिस पर और वाई एक्सिस पर जो डेटा है वो आपके पास होना चाहिए. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ हिस्टोग्राम बेस्ड ऑन ब्लड शुगर फॉर men and for women. So let us see. Create two list with the values given in the question. Then provide X label, Y label, title as per your choice. This is the main line. plt.hist. HIST stands for histogram. Histogram में हमें दो डेटा चाहिए, ब्लड शुगर मैन एंड ब्लड शुगर वीमेन. दो एरेज ले लिए हमने. कॉमा बिन्स 80, 100, 125, 150. इट इज अप टू यू कि आप क्या लेना चाहते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर bins are created 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 and so on till 150. Color is equal to green comma blue. Label is equal to men comma women. PLT dot legend. This is your legend. Some of the students have missed my earlier classes, so just go through my videos, previous 4 videos based on data visualization, then you will get to know what we are discussing. Next, program number 35, write a program to create horizontal bar chart between programming languages and their usage positions. Now here you can see, you can say data is not given, but data is given, and I have included that data in the program code. This is the data. ये और ये दो lines already question में given थी, ठीक है. So program Python, C++, Java, Perl, Lisp. Y position पर हमने एक range ले ली, len prog. len prog means prog में कितनी length है, 1 2 3 4 5. तो here it means the value is 5. A range 5. अब A range 5 का मतलब क्या हुआ, you already know. And usage values are 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Now these are again X label, Y label, title, and this is your main line. PLT dot bar H. Bar H is used to create a horizontal bar, and you have to give two values for X axis and Y axis, Y positions, usage, align is equal to center, color is equal to R. You can provide your own attributes also. PLT dot ytix, Y underscore position comma prog. Now due to this ytix, we have prog values at y-axis. See, Python, C++. These are your ticks. Java, Perl, and Lisp. ये automatically इसने यहाँ से pick किया है. All these. Next, program number 36. So write a program to create a bar chart of the data given below. This is a simple bar chart, and data is also given. C, cities, P for population. So see these two lines, then two arrays C and P. Then just write PLT dot bar C comma P comma color is equal to. If you do not give color, it will automatically take black. You can give colors like this, G, R, B, black, or instead of black, you can also write K. Then a bar, something like this will be created. Program number 37. Okay. Write a program to create a bar chart of the data given below. Again, values are given. These programs we have already discussed in earlier lectures, last two programs, 36 and 37. So this is how to create multiple bar charts. See, we have multiple list. That is why we are able to create multiple bar charts. This, and this. There are three list values. np.a range 4, it means 0, 1, 2, 3. Then plt.bar x plus 0.00 val 0. Val 0 means here this list will be taken as argument. Color blue, width 0.25. Similarly, we have taken plt.bar with different values on x. X plus 0.25, and here we have x plus 0.50. And here val1 means 4.0, 23.0, 49.0 and 17.0. Color is green. Similarly for the last one, color is R. Provide title, X label and Y labels and just show. So this will be displayed. So in your notebook, you have to take printout of these charts. Do not draw it on your own. You have to take printout. This is the proof. Okay. Program number 38. Write a program to plot a sine wave using line chart. Very simple. Import lines. Import तो हमेशा ही आएंगे. But import numpy is used only if you are using arange or some other function related to numpy library. So we have two values, xvals np is equal to np.arange minus 2 1 0.01. What does it mean? We have a number array of numbers starting from minus 2 till 1, and these numbers are spaced by 0.01. So that is why it is written here grid of 0.01 spacing from minus 2 to 1. So as you can see, x values are here. These are x values minus 2 to 1. Y vals np.sine, sine of all the values which we have created using arange, all the values between minus 2 and 1. Then plt.plot x vals and y vals. So it will create a line plot. This is your sine wave. Next, write a program to plot a graph of linear equation 10x plus 14. In class 10th, you might have created graphs based on linear equation and quadratic equations. So here we are discussing two programs based on these. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import numpy as np, x is equal to np.arange. We have taken some values, some random values for x, 12, 20. So it means we will be having values 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, something like that, till 20. It is n minus 1 till 19. Now here we have created y values by providing this equation 10 into x plus 14. It means suppose x is 12, then it will be 10 into 12 plus 14, जो भी value आएगी इसकी. Then after 12 it will be 13, so 10 into 13 plus 14. So with these two lines we will be having x and y values. 5-7 values आ जाएंगे. Then provide title, x label, y labels. If it is compulsory, then you can write grid, otherwise you can ignore this grid. plt.plot, this is the main line, plt.plot x comma y. Very simple. So a straight line will be created. So this is also a proof that linear equation always show a straight line. Linear means straight. Now last question for your practical 5. Write a program to plot a graph of quadratic equation minus 1 0.5 into x square. Now you can say this is not seemed to be quadratic equation because it is always ax square plus bx plus c. No problem, this is x square, 0.5 x square, ये हो गया आपका ax square plus bx is not there, no problem, plus c हो गया आपका 1. See, x is equal to np dot arrange -2 1 0.01, y is equal to same equation, then provide title label axis grade and plot. Here I have included b minus minus. It is showing that we are using blue line with dashed line. See here, these are all dashed lines. So I think all these are clear to you. You must include these programs, right? So that's all today. Thank you.